Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ida here. Today we're spending 24 hours exploring Hong Kong. Last year over 10 million people visited Hong Kong. Today's video you're gonna find the 24 hours best route in Hong Kong. Now without further ado, let's go. Our first destination is Jinyu. We basically woke up at 6 in the morning. Now we're looking for something to eat.
On the way to Jinyu, we stumbled upon an old restaurant that serves authentic Hong Kong style dim sum. We ordered a set meal for two, which included spare rib rice, steamed spare ribs, and Hong Kong style chicken feet, and toast. I also ordered Yuan for drinks.
It's kind of sour and a little bit bitter. It's not sweet at all. Very soft. You can taste the flavor of the eggs. It's very creamy. The sauce on the rice is really good. This is a chicken's hand. Chicken's paw. This is sweet as well. I just finished eating and generally the restaurant is so good. I highly recommend everybody to try it. Now we're officially on our trip. Our first destination is Jinyu, so now let's go. Everything is closed. Normally the streets are filled with shops like this, but since today is the second day of Chinese New Year holiday, most of the shops are still resting. It's such a pity that we can't see the shops. But yeah, this is Jinyu. Still closed. After Jinyu, we're now heading to the second destination, Huayuanjie, which is Garden Street in English. So Garden Street is basically a market and they sell all kinds of Hong Kong stuff. I don't know what's happening here. What's happening?
It seems like a job market for people outside Hong Kong, and some of them are just living here.
Now we're heading to our third destination, Fang. Came across this place. I don't know the real size of this, but it looks like 2 rooms, 1 dining room. It's $400,000. And this is for rent?
Not cheap, I have to say, not cheap. Guys, this was a 100% failure. Maybe just come back later after Chinese New Year. Chinese line dance is a treasured intangible cultural heritage, faces many challenges in preservation and learning, making it a rare sight in daily life. It's not about strength and beauty, it's also about bringing good luck, keeping bad vibes out, and blessing everyone with happiness. So make sure to subscribe because you guys are blessed.
The weather is getting hot and we just bought a Coke and it cost us $2. Can you believe $2? A Coke! Literally everything in Hong Kong is just so expensive. This is called K11. It's a very famous shopping center here. We finally arrived at here. It's so windy here, but the view is so stunning. You know, I feel like I've been walking in the city for a while, and then you just walk over a bridge and then you see this beautiful ocean. It's like all the pressure has gone away. I think so far this is my favorite place in Hong Kong. And guys, I think I'm starting to catch a fever. I don't know. I might get COVID though. Guys, do you see that? I think that's 2 directions of water. And next to this place, you can also go to the art museum. Look for these signs if you're lost. Now we arrive at Harbour City.
Basically, our trip ended here because my fever was too serious. The summary will be after this clip, and the new video will be out next week. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss it.